Okay, if you want to add motion blur, that's what you have to do. So make sure you watch this video till the very end so you don't miss any step, and subscribe for more tutorials. So what you have to do first is to right click here, new item, and select adjustment layer. Click on OK. Grab this adjustment layer and drag it onto your video and right above your first video. And also it's important to decide where you like to add this this motion blur. For me, I'll add this blur around here. Resize. And now we're gonna have to go to effects, and here in effects just write blur. Now we have many different types of blurs available. Video effects blurs. I'm gonna go with directional blur and drag it onto your adjustment layer. So just drag and drop. That's what you have to do. You can also use Gaussian blur, drag and drop. And here, what you have to do is just to decide the amount of blur you want. But before doing that, we also need to, and we can also use, I remember using more actually directional blur, but yeah, you decide at the end of the day. And now here I'm gonna add right at the end here, make sure you select your adjustment layer and add keyframes here. Move a couple of frames, but around this area part, I will actually increase, and make sure you select your video, increase directional. Actually this, now this is just the, as you can see, that, and blur around this. Now have blur. Now right when it starts moving, just gonna click on this, which will reset the blur. Now it's clear and it goes back, and again increase the blur and reset the blur, and we have this blur. We have this motion blur. And if you want, you can add some speed ramping to this, and when it's like this, around this, and now expand like this. And like this. So this part where the blur is more uniform. Or you can add some the time remapping and then speed to your video as well. Depends, you just have to try and experiment different settings. But I really hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.